Alright, so here's the basement, and there's the freezer, and here's where we're going to be installing the shelf. Alright, so I've got the 2x4s that will go across, and now we need to figure out where to drill the holes to screw them into the studs that are also 2x4s. Oh, this is really dull. God damn. Maybe this one's sharper. That's more like it. Okay. Phillips head screws suck. Okay, so I got one of the shelf thingies put up there. So I'm going to start screwing it down. Alright, so here's the piece of plywood we're going to be using for the shelf top piece, whatever you call it. And it's been sitting in the dank-ass garage for quite a while now. But, well, I didn't look at it recently, but it doesn't appear to be growing mold like literally every other piece of plywood. Like, look at that. That's fucking disgusting. Like, why the fuck do you do that, plywood? That's just terrible. So here's a pro tip. If you have ever made one of these stools and nobody wants to buy them, they make pretty good to have around the shop because it's like an extra sawhorse. Rev up your power tools. Uh-oh, that's not fucking good at all. Fuck sakes. Here goes first. Sure, something right through. Oh well. That's really helpful. Oh. All right. Oh, fuck you! Ow. God, you said the button in place so force. Okay. Alright, so let me just get everything cleaned up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. So yeah, I'm done making these shells here. I think they turned out pretty nice. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, and go buy my sawhorses on Craigslist. And one more thing, our new freezer has enough room to open up.